dried. Amazing quality. Over the bottom part is 19 and 3/4, 18 and a half, 17 and 3/4, all kinds of dimensions. So beautiful. Live edge, right? There's a small chipping over there. It's nothing when compared to the size of the slabs. Dimension will be listed along with this video. Call us California Exotic Hardwoods, Anaheim, California. 714-929-1234. Check it out. Let me spray some water so you can see it. The color, absolutely gorgeous. Ideal for musical grade, live at slabs, all kinds of projects. Very rare, beautiful. Spectacular. Nice, beautiful sapwood on it. Let me turn the slabs to the other side so you can see the front side. Here you go. Check it out, this one. So beautiful slabs.